50 years ago, high blood pressure and heart disease were relatively uncommon conditions. But today, high blood pressure or hypertension and coronary heart disease have become more than just a chronic complaint. It has become a way of life dependent on regular medications and visit to doctors for routine checkups. These cardiac problems, which are the diseases of affluent society, are posing great challenges to the medical world. Modern living with the stress, strain, lot of pressure of everyday life, changes in the structure of the society and family, living cushion for individual problems, failures, changing dietary habits, high fat, junk food, technological advance such as easy modern transport machines, easy life, lack of practice, increasing in smoking and alcohol intake all contribute to all the problems. Hari Om. Yoga Abhyas Academy. If you practice regularly these yoga asanas, this series of hypertension, you can reverse your hypertension, you can solve your hypertension issues with the right practice and with the right lifestyle. Let's begin without further delay. Come to your mat. It's a complete sequence. You just practice with me. Stand on the mat, interlock your fingers, stretch your arms up, raise your heels up. Do it 5 times. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Hands in and out. Bring your hands in front of you. Join your palms together. Breathe in. Open your arms. Open the chest. Exhale. Bring the arms close and relax your chest. This also do 5 times. Inhale. Open the arms. Exhale. Arms close to each other. Be comfortable, follow with the breathing. Let's move your shoulders. Inhale, lift the shoulders up, rotate clockwise 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Place your fingers on your shoulders and just do the shoulder rotation. Inhale, raise your hands up, exhale down. Make the complete circle, make the complete rotation with your hands. Do 5 times clockwise, do 5 times anti-clockwise. Next, side bending. Ardha Kati Chakrasana, feet together. Inhale, raise your right hand up. Exhale, slightly lean left side. Stay there 10 seconds. Inhale, come back and exhale, do it left side. Repeat this 3 times, both the side. Next, Vriksha Asana. Hold your ankle with right hand. Place the right foot on your left inner thigh. Make the balance here. Slowly raise your hands. If you not find balance, gently place the hands in front of the chest as a Namaskar Sthi, the way you much comfortable. Maintain 30 seconds. Slowly exhale, relax and repeat the same Vrikshasana with the left leg also. After complete Vrikshasana, we move to the Trikonasana. Open your legs, right foot 90-degree angle, left foot 60-degree angle, arms in line of the shoulder, pelvic bone in the center. Exhale, slightly lean towards the right leg. Place your right palm over the ankle if you comfortably reach there. If not, you can place your palm over the shin bone as well. Maintain 30 seconds. If you comfortable, look up, else look front. Slowly move the left foot 90 degree, right foot 60 degree. Exhale, lean towards the left side, maintain Trikonasana left side. Without drop your shoulder, make sure the shoulder should be up. You should not drop the chest down. Slowly inhale, come out from the asana, exhale, hand down, relax few seconds. Garud Asana. Gently bend your both the knees. Take your right leg over the left leg and lock your ankle behind the calf muscle. Right ankle over the left calf muscle. Make sure you should not straighten your knees here. Keep your knees slightly bent. Once you get the balance, gently in the same way interlock your arms. This is the Garud Asana. Maintain 30 seconds. Once you're comfortable, slowly come out from the asana and repeat with the left leg as well. Make the balance here. This is a balancing asana, so be very careful. Focus at one single point. And if you're completely beginner to the practice, you can skip in the starting this asana, and instead of this you can practice Vrikshasana, the tree pose which we did before this. Ardha Matsyendra Asana. Sit down on your mat. Keep your both legs straight. Inhale gently, bend your right knee. Inhale, raise your right hand up and just place it behind you. With exhalation, inhale, raise your left knee. Close the arm around your right knee and twist towards the right side. Look back as much as possible. Stay there. Slowly come out from the Ardha Matsyendra Asana and repeat it with the another left side. Make sure you should not lean back while doing the twisting. You have to feel the twist exactly at the arch of your waist area. Next is Gomukhasana. Sit straight with the stretched leg. Now fold your right leg under the left leg. Touch your right heel with the left hip bone. Bring your left leg over the right. And while touching your right knee, hypertension series of hypertension. You can reverse your hypertension. You can solve your hypertension issues with. Now slowly raise your right hand up, left hand from down and interlock the fingers for Gomukha Asana. Back straight, face relaxed, close your eyes, maintain 30 seconds here. Slowly interlock your fingers, stretch your arms up, exhale down and repeat the asana with the opposite legs. Now the left leg would be down, right knee should be up, both heels close to the hips. Left hand goes up, right hand go up and left hand come from down. Interlock the fingers at the center of your shoulder blades. Maintain, do not pressurize your hand over the head. Keep your neck free, relaxed. Slowly come out from the asana. Relax after 30 seconds. Next, Marjari Asana. Sit in Vajrasana. From Vajrasana, take the measurement of your forearm and the one palm distance. Stand on the knees and the palms. Inhale, arch your spine, look up. Exhale, curl the spine, look down. Continue 5 more times. Inhale up. Exhale, curl your spine, look down. After complete this, lie down on your chest for Bhujangasana. Inhale slowly. Place your both the palms side of your chest, side of your breast. Elbows pointing should be towards you, not open. Keep your legs open here. Do not tighten your hips. Keep your back relaxed, hips open, relaxed. Inhale, slowly come up, lift your chest off the floor. Maintain 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Exhale slowly down. Repeat this again 3 to 5 times. Afterwards, relax few seconds and then gradually lie down on your back for Setu Bandhasan. Gently bend your both the knees. Raise your both the hips up as much as possible. Take the support of your hands and lift it more up. Maintain it. Breathe here 10 seconds. If you're comfortable, you can straight your legs here one by one from Setu Bandhasan. It's little advanced version. The way you're comfortable, you can do it. And repeat 5 rounds of Setu Bandhasan, please. After this, relax few seconds in Pavan Mukta Asana. Bend your both the knees, hug your both the knees tightly. Relax your spine. Slowly release the Pavan Mukta Asana and go for Shav Asana. Relax, lie down on your mat, collapse your whole body. Relax each and every part of the body. From head to toes, toes to head. Relax completely in Shavasana. Please do regular this sequence, this series of the asanas for the better your heart health and for your hypertension issues. Take care of your diet and the lifestyle. Comment me what will be the next video, which will be the next disease you want. I'll give you the particular series. Thank you. Thank you so much. Be happy, be healthy. See you in the next video.